Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Kelly here, and as I mentioned on the previous video that we are going to be making a mochaccino. So which is this video, we are actually making a mochaccino. And so a mochaccino is actually a chocolate powder with a shot of espresso. It can be a double shot, it can be a single shot, depending on how you guys like it. Okay, so yeah, so it's a very nice chilled beverage. I love mochaccinos. So anyway, that is really fine, and let's watch this tutorial. Thank you. Okay, then you would want to put your hot chocolate powder. I'm putting 2 at the moment. And then I use a fork just to stir it up. And then for just for show, we would put like a Nutella spread around our mochaccino, I mean. Okay. I'm just cropping my mold. Showing the paper like the last time, and now we are cropping. Like I said before, make sure your hand is on the jug, your one hand, just to feel the temperature. I can tell that it's really hot now. So yeah, then you want to wipe the wand, and then you want to use it again, and yeah. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on my channel, and thank you so much for watching. And